without me even saying it, you already know. I am obsessed. I just washed my hair because I've been working out a lot and sweating my head. But come on, I have a little band here, so it's holding it up. Yes, I'm pressed. Look, once again, sitting. My hair loves oil and water. I spray my locks with water that is infused with 100% aloe vera juice, natural oils. I can't even think of which ones right now, and then a few essential oils. So I spray my hair. Oh, and occasionally I'll use rose water as well to moisturize. And it is growing like a weed, and I am loving it. Oh, and I decided not to retwist so much anymore because one, my retwists don't hold due to, I guess, the texture of my hair. I'm not sure, but also because I don't use any holding gel or no twisting butters or gel in my hair. When I do a retwist, I use typically just oil and water, or it's something else I use occasionally, but also because I work out a lot once again, and I sweat in my hair, and as soon as I sweat, they come undone. So I'm just letting them do what they're gonna do, child. But they're still flourishing, and I love it. And yeah, I'm always doing something else too. But yeah, 2 years in June, July, August, September. No, we're not even in September. What the hell am I talking about? We're in July. So 2 years and 2 months, and 2 years and almost 3 months.